YouTube or you just watch YouTube?
I'm just watching you.
Yeah?
No YouTube, just watching you.
Okay.
Yeah, I literally passed me. I thought that's our to catch up. Well, Happy New Year.
Yeah, same to you.
I actually texted you a week ago asking about what sort of mods you've been using.
Did you?
On Messenger.
Do you want to see it now?
Sorry?
Do you want to see the mod?
Yeah, you could, yeah.
Turn left. I like your bike.
Yeah.
The 650F.
I only started 4 months ago.
Yeah.
That's my sort of first bike.
Yeah. That's your first bike?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Wow. The 650 as a first bike. That's very good.
But 4 months ago, I just decided to sort of wanna stick riding the bike.
Yeah.
So basically just done my practice, done my theory exam.
Yeah.
Quite easy. I thought, okay, got my 125 for 3 months.
That's good.
Well, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, I got my full lines and I got this.
I love the color.
Yeah, yeah.
The matte black with the red, it really suits it very well.
I think this is one of the best colors you can get for this sort of type, you know?
Yeah, no, it's really nice.
Yeah.
So what did you ask? You said you sent me a message?
Yeah, I did message you about 4 days ago.
Yeah.
Your Christmas, about what sort of mirrors you use.
Did I respond back to you?
Yeah, you did, yeah.
I always do. No, I'm good in that.
I was thinking he's gonna just point me now. It actually was quite quick.
Yeah, no, I'm good in that.
Only took you 2
Yeah, no, it's all my, well, the new the KTM, the BMW, I've got the same mirrors.
Yeah. Do they flip?
Which is the Rizoma.
Do they flip up?
No.
No. That's what my question was. I thought maybe they sort of do, because you can get these ones to just flip up. It's quite handy in traffic. But
I never ever used flip up mirrors. I mean, you can put pressure on them and lift them up, you see. But then if you're just gonna sit, flip up, flip down, flip up, it's, you know, they're not really meant for that.
I see. I see.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah. Nice. Because your one is literally right in line. My one is really like that much.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because this is quite close to here, isn't it?
Yeah, it does. But one of them things, I think.
Is that why?
This is my second-hand bike anyway, because that's 2017.
Oh right, yeah.
I bought it with only 3K on it. So, but that's part of that. So I wasn't too bothered about it, because I thought I'd change them anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had a little scratch there too. So I'm gonna make it good.
Try like the ones I had on the Grum and now I have on the Monkey.
Yeah.
The Rizoma 744. They're quite much smaller than this, but they don't give you as much vision as that.
I still want to see some what's behind you. Yeah.
I love that exhaust, how close it is. Very nicely done.
I think that's the nice detail by Honda, to be honest. You don't really want to lose this.
No, Honda quality is really...
The pipes are,
Yeah.
The only thing is really that you always need to sort of wash every 2 days to keep them shiny, otherwise you can't notice them, you know?
Ah, this one you do shine them, yeah? Yeah, because but that's stainless steel, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yeah.
Yeah,
on the wet weather, you do it like a week travel to work and back.
Yeah.
You need to sort of every 2 days. You need to do them a wash, otherwise you're gonna ruin the pipe, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I quite like it for a start. It's good.
No, it's beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, I got many of them. This one eats back tires. I tell you now, it needs a new one. It just eats them.
Wow. Yeah, as soon as you go past me, BMW, same route as you usually do.
Yeah. I might see a friend.
I got a nice collection of bikes.
Yeah, it's an addiction. It is an addiction. I'm addicted to bikes.
Everyone who has a bike getting that addiction pretty quick.
Yeah.
Just not everyone can afford to have 5 or have a room to keep it all, you know?
Yeah.
Because you don't really want to get all these lovely bikes left on the road, you know?
No, you gotta be very careful now. You gotta be very careful.
Yeah, because I like that video when they sort of pick your...
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's standard stuff now in London.
Yeah.
You just gotta be extremely careful.
Alright, let's go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Take care.
Nice, yeah.
Cheers, you too.
Keep those videos coming.
Yeah, I will.